Hello guys, welcome to my Java 8 features. This is the lecture number second. So in previous class we discussed about the Java 8 features, some little bit history about a Lambda expression. In that, how to write a Lambda expression, what is the Lambda expression, how many topics we are going to cover in this playlist, that we all discussed in previous session. Okay, so in this session just I want to explain about a functional interface. What is the functional interface? What is the need of a functional interface? That we are going to see in this lecture. So just 1 minute, just 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay. I want to write here second that it's functional interface. I will increase size little bit 20. It's a functional interface. Functional interface. Okay. What is the mean by functional interface? What is mean by functional interface? Simply, if interface contain only a single abstract method, then that interface is called as a functional interface. Functional interface. If interface contain single abstract method, that interface called as functional interface. Okay. Single abstract method is also called as in short SAM. Okay. That is called functional interface. I hope you understood what is this functional interface. Okay. So there is a one doubt. Many students have one doubt, like from Java 8 version onwards, we can write the default and a static method also in functional interface. Then can I say that it's not a functional interface? Suppose I create here like one interface interrupt. Okay, this is my one interface. If I write here public void show, is my single abstract method. Okay. If I write here a default void em1, this is my default method. If I write here static void print this method, interface close. Okay. So it is a valid or not? Can I say it is a functional interface? Can I say it is a functional interface? That is my doubt. Okay, because it contains default method also and static method also. But I said here, if interface contain only a single abstract method, then it is called as a functional interface. Yes or no? So simply it is a valid in Java. We can write, or I wrote here only a single abstract method. Say here public void show means it is fulfilling my requirement. I said here, if interface contain only a single abstract method, then it is a functional interface. Yes or no? So I can say it is a valid functional interface because it contain only a single abstract method. I am not talking about the default method and static method, but I said here single abstract method, then it is a fulfilling my requirement. Yes or no? So we can say it is a valid interface. From Java 8 version onwards, I can write, or we can write here one annotation that is a functional interface. So what is the meaning of that? That annotation? functional interface. Functional interface. Okay. So what is the meaning of this annotation? The meaning of this annotation is compiler. I am telling you this interface is a single abstract method. If I am highlighting my some rules, if I violate some rules, then stops me or throw the error. That is the meaning of a functional interface annotation. That is the meaning of this annotation. We can write this annotation from 1.8 version. It is a mandatory or optional? Tell me guys. Yes, it is a optional. Yes, it is a optional. If you write only a single abstract method, then compiler will automatically treat this interface is a functional interface. Is a functional interface. Remember this point. I want to explain on VS Code. Just see here, guys. I want to open my VS Code window. Okay, close this, close all this. Okay, this is my test.java. So say class, what is the name of my class? Class test main method. If I write here one interface, that is interface interrupt, suppose public void show. Look at guys. This is my single abstract method. This is my single abstract method. Okay, close this window. Single abstract method means it is a functional interface. If I write here one default method, default void m3, this is my default method. If I write here static void m4, or if I put here functional interface annotation, I direct functional interface. I did not, or I'm not getting here any error. I'm not getting here any error. Look at guys. See here, functional interface means it contains only a single abstract method. But suppose if I write here public void show one, then immediately I will get error. Immediately I will get error. Look at guys. Invalid functional interface annotation. Invalid functional interface annotation. Are you understanding? Are you understanding guys? So suppose okay, I hope you understood all this. Okay, just I want to go my notes and to tell here this is valid functional interface. This is a valid functional interface. So I will write here show toolbar. Okay, this is my valid functional interface. Functional interface. Okay. I want to explain iterative functional interface annotation with respect to inheritance concept. Inheritance concept. Okay. Just go. Okay. 2 minutes. I will increase the height of. Okay. Look at guys, functional interface. I will write here one point. Functional interface with respect to inheritance. Inheritance. Suppose I put here one annotation that is a functional interface, or first I will create one interface A. I put here a direct functional annotation, functional interface annotation. Okay. Public void m1. Public, or I will create here one interface that is a B extends A. This annotation I put here. This annotation I will put here. Is it valid? Is it valid or not? That I want. Is it valid or not? So let's check it is a valid or not. If I go on my VS Code window, if I go and write here like a interface A, not public, interface A, interface B extends A. If I put here one annotation that is a direct functional interface, okay. So look at guys, if I copy this annotation and just paste here, so is it valid or not? Is it valid? I need to place here one method that is a public void m1. Is it valid or not? It is valid or not? Yes, it is a valid. It is a completely fine. It is a completely fine. Why? It is completely fine because iterate functional interface meaning it contains only a single abstract method. Yes or no? But when interface B is extending interface A, then it contains one single abstract method, that is the m1. M1 came to interface B by default, so it also contains one method, that is the m1. So that's why it is a functional interface. It is a valid iterate functional interface. It is a valid functional interface. Just remember, suppose I write here public void m1. Is it valid? Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. It is also valid. Why it is valid? Compiler will treating this as this method is like a overridden method. This method is like a overridden method. So that's why it is a completely valid. But when I write here, look at, when I write here m2, just look at guys, it is not a valid. It is not a valid, invalid iterate functional annotation because it contains two methods. It is for by default it is coming, or it is a new. When we declare a new abstract method in interface B, then immediately we will get iterate functional annotation. B is not a functional interface. But when I remove this, then it is a completely fine. Because functional interface is this. Because I place this annotation on the above of interface A, not interface B. Look at guys. So are you understanding? We are going in detail, in depth of a subject. No one give this much content freely on YouTube. Just remember this point. Okay. This is all about a interface with respect to inheritance. That example I will share later. So first we need to understand what is the interface, functional interface. I hope you understood what is the functional interface. So I want to write here one interface, that is a interface, interrupt, interrupt. Look at guys, public void show, public void show. So how to implement this interface? How to implement this interface? How to implement? Just write here one class, that is a class demo, class demo, and implements. Right here, simply write here one implements keyword, implements. Which interface I want to implement? Interrupt, interrupt. After implementing, override this method. Which method? Show method. So right here, override annotation and put public void show this method and provide the body implementation. Provide implementation. This is without implementation. This is called as a abstract method. This is called as a abstract method. Okay. If you want to achieve full abstraction, then we should go for interface. Okay, that we all know. In core Java lectures we discuss. Okay. System.out.println. I want to put here one message. Hello functional interface. Hello functional interface. How to call this show method? How to call this show method? Just write here. Just write here demo. D equal to new demo. We need to write here this line, then automatically object will create for this class. Object will create for this class. Okay. How to call show method? D dot show. Okay. So simply run this program. Run this program. Look at guys. Look at. We will get output hello functional interface. Look at guys. Okay, I want to run again. Launching main class is showing. I am not getting. My system is a slow guys. Don't worry. Definitely we will get output. Definitely we will get output. Just wait few seconds. Just wait. Yes, they are getting slowly. Look at this line. Like someone is writing. Yes, hello functional interface. We get here hello functional interface. Okay. So tell me guys, can I replace this all code with one lambda expression that we discuss? What is a lambda expression? Can I replace all this code with single line? So how to replace that? So tell me, parent can hold child reference. So I can write here interrupt f, yes or no, or f dot show. Are you understanding? Parent can hold child object. Parent's reference can hold child object, that we discuss in inheritance concept. Yes or no? That we discuss. Okay. So just remember, if you don't know, then parent reference can hold a child object. That is the point. So this code I will replace with, just remember, I will commit this code. I will replace with single line. So tell me, I write here public void show. Public void show. Then tell me how to return a lambda expression. How to return a lambda expression in Java? Just remove the name. Just remove the name. Just remove the return type. Just remove the modifier. Then our lambda expression is ready. Our lambda expression is ready. Yes or no? Are you understanding, guys? Are you understanding? Just simply write here. So I write like a public void show method. Okay. Then this is a body. So what is the meaning of lambda expression? It is an anonymous function. Anonymous function means no name. Just remove name. It does not contain any return type. Just remove. It does not contain any modifier. Just remove. Okay. This is our lambda expression. This is our lambda expression. Are you understanding, guys? See here, system.out.println. I will write here hello lambda expression. This is the only one statement. This is the only one statement. Can I remove curly braces? Yes, we can remove. Yes, we can remove. Okay. So look at, guys. Look at this much code. This much code we replace with only a single line. Only a single line. Only a single line. Are you understanding? Are you understanding, guys? Just look at. I want to run this code. I want to run this code. We are getting correct output or not? Okay, I did not call, so that's why I'm not getting. Okay, f dot internally which method is show. So when I write this, then internally in this line show method is calling. Show method is calling, and by default for this show method, this is a body. This is a body. Are you understanding? So look. Run Java. Hello lambda expression. Hello lambda expression. Okay, I hope you understood. I want to give one more example. Okay, just look at guys. I will create here one method, that is sum method. Int a comma int b. How to override this method? How to override this method? Just public void, not void. I will replace with int return type. Int sum. Just look at int a comma int b. Return a plus b. Okay. If it plays here override or not, it is not a mandatory. Okay, but it is a good programming practice. It is a good programming practice. Okay, look at this. So how to write or how to call this method, sum method? Just create a demo object, demo d equal to new demo. Okay, d dot which method? Sum. Just pass here 23, or I will pass here 12. Look at. See output, guys. See. Okay, sorry, I did not upload this system.out.println. Just write in the system.out.println. Okay, look at. Just run Java. 35. We are getting a 35. Are you understanding? This is my addition of a 23 and 12. Is correct or not? Yes, correct. 35. We are getting here 35. I can write here one text, that is addition Look at run Java, addition 35. Okay. Then how to replace these lines of code with single line? These lines of code with single line. Just remember, we can hold, or parent can hold object of child class. Parent reference can hold. Parent reference can hold object of child class. Yes or no? Object of child class. Yes or no? Simply write here f dot sum. Okay. Remove this line. How? Which method I written here? Sum method. Sum method. Which method I written here? Sum method. So simply write here like I written here public int sum. Okay. This. So how to write a lambda expression? It does not have any name. It is an anonymous function. Means it does not have any name. It does not contain any return type. It does not have any modifier. Yes or no? So simply just write here. Simply just write here. Like this is my lambda expression. If you write this symbol, then compiler will automatically understand this is my lambda expression. My lambda expression. How many arguments it is expecting? Two. Just pass here 2 and 3. Just pass here 2 and 3. Or no, sorry, a and b variable. Okay. What is the return type? Int. Okay. System.out.println. Just write here. Just simply return here. Return here a plus b. Okay. So remember guys, if f dot sum is expecting two argument like 2 and 3, I will pass. I will make this code more concise. Okay. So what is the meaning of concise? Means less number of lines. I want to write in one expression this much code. I want to write in single expression. How to write? It is contain only one statement. Just remove curly braces. Okay. After removing, remove return keyword, because it will automatically consider it is a return type. It is a returning some value. Are you understanding? Okay. Based on a context, compiler will automatically identify the type of this variable. Just remove the type. Look at guys. This number of lines we written in this line only. This number of lines we wrote in one single line in a concise or small expression that we can say. So just remember guys how to write lambda expression on all these topics. Okay. I want to run this program. Just look at output. We will get 5 output or not. 5 we are not getting, because I need to place this into a system.out.println or store this value into some variable. So I will write here directly addition. Okay. So now look at if you have any doubt about this, just look at, yes, addition 5. Suppose I pass here 20 and 3, then we will get 23 output or not. Just that I want to explain. Yes, addition 23. So I hope guys you understand this. So in next class we are going to discuss more things. So I just want to, I just want from you just understand what is a functional interface, or what is the need of a functional interface. What is the need of a functional interface? To call the, to call the, or to store the reference of lambda expression, we can say. To call a lambda expression, we need a functional interface. That is the point. Okay. All things I covered about a functional interface. Just put here functional interface annotation. Okay. I want to copy this example just for your notes. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any doubt about a functional interface or lambda expression, then tell me in the comment box. Definitely, I will try to give my best. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, everyone.